Tell us a little about it, tonight's game.
Yeah, Yolngu Radio station. They done a bit of calling. We seen BT last night have a chat to them. Yeah. They done it in their own language.
East Arnhem Land, isn't it?
East Arnhem Land, yes.
Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, we'd love to hear it.
Let's have a listen.
Goal! 10 seconds, the opportunity to roll over to quick penalty. On half time, Richmond target in 21.2.
I hope it was you could watch and listen to them while you're watching the football.
Yeah. So a bit of English and a bit of language as well, and a bit of dancing.
Yeah, a bit of everything. That's
awesome.
Crazy.